Good morning. So far, we were discussing or dealing with the drawing orthographic views which are in the first angle projection only. But this time, I have prepared some exercises. All are in third angle projection. That means this is the front view and this is the top view if we compare. So, and all these models will be created using the option called in the extrude. If you extrude both the one sketch, say perpendicular to the another cross section, we can create the model by using intersect option. So I mentioned in the last video. So in this particular exercise, and please remember one more thing, I'm going to centralize this cross section about the origin point. So let us create this cross section on our top plane and this on our front plane, then extrude both the sketches and find out how the resultant model is. Let us start. So you right click here, new component, then turn on the origin here. Then as I told you, you select the top plane, right click, create a sketch, then draw a rectangle, draw a symbol rectangle here, then draw the lines. So here we have one line like this, then trim the unwanted portions. So 7, 13, and here also 13, 32, 32. Seven. So is 13. Also 13. (32), 32. Then this is this D5 divided by 2. D4 divided by 2. So this particular cross section is completed. As I told you once again, this particular exercise, most of the exercise, all the exercise I'm going to centralize, and this all the exercises are given in the third angle projection. That means the top view will be placed at the top, front view will be at the front, right side view at the right side, left side view will be on the left side. So the exercise, all the exercise, you have to complete the third view also. You have to draw how the third view will look like. Finish sketch. Then let us draw the view in the front plane. So this is the front plane drawing, 32, 45, 20. So select the front plane, right click, create sketch. Again we are going to centralize 32, 20 here. So let us make horizontal vertical here. Then this value is 45. This is 45. This is this value divided by 2. This is 32, and this value is half of this. This D10 divided by 2. This was how much? I think 20. 20 here. So let's give 20. Finish sketch. Then extrude this symmetric. This is whole length 32. Then OK. Then again extrude. This is symmetric whole length, and this is 45 here. Then select this intersect, then OK. Now you can compare. As I told you, the front view will look like this. So now top view will look like this. Then you have to create one more view, that is, say, this view. As I mentioned, right side view will be placed at the right side, so you have to draw this particular view on this portion of your drawing. So that is the first exercise. Let us do the next exercise. Next exercise is this one. So this is the top view. Once again, this is the front view. So let us create the front view on this plane and top view on the top plane. So I think let us start the top view, and again we are going to centralize this. So we will draw like this, 1, 2, 3 lines. So we'll draw 3 lines on the top line here. Create sketch. So draw the 3 lines, 1, 2, 3 lines. Also draw a center line. Select the line, press X, then go to mirror, double click the line, then select the mirror line, then OK, then make a closed sketch. Then start from the smaller dimension first. 10, 5. So this is 10. This is 5. So this axis we have centralized already. Now the total distance is 35. So give this as 35. And from here to, so we'll just move this towards this direction. Then we will give the dimension from here to here as this particular D3 divided by 2. Now one more dimension here, how much it is. So this is 12 from this edge. So give from here to this edge, it is 12. So top view is completed. Finish sketch. Now we have to draw the front view. So front view is like this. Again we will centralize about both the directions, 45 and 35. So we will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. 6 lines we will draw on the front plane. Create sketch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let us make horizontal, vertical here. Then give all the dimensions. 5, 45, 10. This is 5. This is 45. This is 10. Then, as I told you, we will define this dimension as half of this d7 by 2, and this we know this is 35, and this is this 35 by 2. Then what is the next dimension? This is 12. So we have made the cross section, and also we have centralized the model. Now we can extrude both the direction and finish sketch. Now let us extrude this. So this symmetric, and this distance is 35. So this one front plane, this is 35 symmetric. Okay, then extrude the other one symmetric, and the whole height is 45. Then we can go here, select intersect option, then OK. Now check the front view. Front view should be like this. Then top view should be like this, right? So we have to draw the next one more view, that is the either I think you draw the right side view and place the view here, right side view, and draw the right side view. Only thing is that one hidden line will come, so you have to take care about this hidden line, that's all. So let us do the next exercise. So the next exercise is like this. So again this we will not centralize, so we will make use of this property, the arc center. Then remaining portion we will extrude. Then we will use two sides extrusion. One is 24 on the positive side, and the other 30 on to the negative side. So let us make this top view first. So top view, new component here, turn on the origin, then select the top line, right click, create sketch. So just draw a line, something like this, a line. So this is the cross section, something like this, right? So this here 1 2 3 lines here, 1 2 3 lines here. So this we will make coincident, this is coincident here. Then also we will make coincident, this line is coincident with this point. Now we can create arc, center point arc. Click the center point here, then from starting this point to ending somewhere here. Then we will trim the unwanted portion here, trim this portion. Now you can give the value, this is R30, and this distance is from here to here, it is 24, then here 20 and here 18. So this is 20 and this is 18. And this is located towards the origin here. So that is our top view, finished sketch. Now we'll draw the front view on this, create sketch, front view 70 60 20, 70 60 20. So let's draw that. So let us draw $70 here, so this is 60, and this is this dimension divided by 2. Getting some problem here. D5 by 2, 5 by 2. So let me check. So here, okay, I think in this axis we can centralize. No problem, we will centralize this. Edit sketch. So this one we will centralize. This is 45. Sorry, 70 and 20. So this is 70 and this is 20 here, 20, and this here we will give as 70 divided by 2. So finish sketch. So this is completed. So we have this particular cross section completely centralized. Finish sketch. Okay, now we will extrude this to 24 on this side and 30 on the other side. Extrude this one, these two sides. So first side it is 30 and second side it is 24. So to refer the drawing, okay, 24. So that is this side is 24 and this side it is 30. So we have done that. Now we will extrude the other sketch. Extrude. This is symmetric. This whole length is 70, 70, and we will give intersect, then OK. So you can compare. The front view is like this, then top view is like this. So we want to create one more sketch, that is, you can create the right side view. Right side view will be like this. Okay, so let us do the next exercise. In this, top view is having a circular cross section, central hole and cylindrical cross section here. Then front view is something like this, 60, 15 and 45. So again I'm going to centralize this figure. So just draw the two circles on the top plane. Circle, the first circle is having a diameter of 24 and second circle is with the diameter of 45. Check both the dimension once again before proceed. 24 and 45 correct. So finish sketch. Now you can select the front plane, right click, create sketch. Then we will draw the shape like this. Like this. 60, 15 and 45. Sixty, 15 and 45. So from here to here this is 60 and half of this, D3 by 2, 60 and so this is 15, and this is 45. This is 45 by 2, this divided by 2. Finish sketch. First let us extrude this. The height is 60. Extrude. Symmetric. All length is 60. Then OK. Then extrude. Symmetric. All length is 45. Then use the option intersect, then OK. Now you can see the top view is like this, front view is like this. Let me check once again. Front view is like this, right? Then this is our right side view. You have to draw to the right side of your drawing. So let us do the next one. So we have this cross section. So let us imagine that this is our front, or let us take this as our front view and this as our left side view. So we have to draw this cross section on our left plane. So let us rotate this, select this plane, right click, create sketch, then draw the two rectangles. Center rectangle will make. You can press S for search toolbox. Then go to C. So let us cancel this, it's not working. So go here, then choose center rectangle here, then draw first rectangle, then again the second one. Just draw both the rectangles, then you find out what are all the dimensions. So this is 25 by 30, so 25 towards the y direction, so D, this is 25, and towards X it is 30. Similarly this is 50, double of this, 50, and this is 60, again double. Finish sketch. Now we can select the front plane. So we have made this sketch on our left plane. So this is our front plane. We have to draw this 80, 50. So front plane, select the front plane, create sketch. So simply draw the line. Draw like this, then give the value here, this is 45 degree, and this dimension would be 50 and 80. So this is 50, and as I mentioned earlier, this should be 50 divided by this by 2. Then let us say this is from here to here. I think this is 80. Now we will give again this half of this from here to here, this divided by 2. Is it 80? I want to check. Correct. But why here there is extra line? So let us delete this. This line is not required. Draw a line here. So we have to give once again the dimensions. That is from here to this edge it is 50, and from here to this point it is this divided by 2. Finish sketch. Now the front view you have to check. So this we have to extrude symmetrically 80 mm height. Extrude this symmetric whole length, and you give the value as 80. Then OK. Extrude this symmetric whole length 60. Then give the value as intersect, then OK. Now we can check front view, then our left side view. So we have to create one more view. So let us say we will draw the top view. So this is the top view, which will be looking like this. So the top view you have to create. So let us do the next exercise. That is this one. This one also somewhat similar to the. So we will draw the same cross section on our front plane, and this is our left plane. So let us draw this figure 60, 50, 25, 20, 20. 60 in the x direction, new component. So we will rotate this, select this plane, left plane, right click, create sketch, then draw a rectangle here, then draw lines, trim this horizontal, vertical. Then let us give the value. This is 20. This is also 20. Then this is 60. And this is this divided by 2. This is 50. This is by 2, 50 by 2. This is 25. Finish sketch. So this is the first cross section, and we have drawn on our left plane. Now let us draw on the front plane. Sorry, we will select from here, that is the wrong method. So we will select this plane, right click, create sketch. Let us draw the cross section. So 80, 50, here one line with 45 degree. So this distance is 80. This is this 80 divided by 2. This is 50. Say this is 45 degree. Select this line and give this 45 degree. Then again we will centralize this, divided by 2, centralize with the origin. Now we have to the other sketch you have to extrude 80, and this one you have to extrude 50. So extrude this, we will go for symmetric extrude 80. Okay, then extrude symmetric, this is 50, no, it is 60, then go for intersect, then OK. Now compare the views. Front view, then left side view. Now we have to draw one more view, that is top view. Top view I have to place at the top, should be like this. So let us do the next exercise. So this is, if you take this as our front view, this will be your left side view, and if you take this as your front view, this will be your right side view. So let us take this as our front view and draw this figure. So front plane, create a sketch, draw the figure. So here one small line is there, then it comes like this, then here, so like this. Then give the, starting from the smaller dimension, we will give here, this is 15. Here also we will give the dimension as 15. Then let's say 60, 45. This is 60. So this will be then this divided by 2, and this is 45, and this will be this 45 divided by 2. So this is the front plane, front view we have created. Now we have to create this view on our right side plane. Let us draw this. So select the right side plane, create sketch, then let us draw a rectangle and complete this. Let's trim it. give the dimensions 50, 45, 50, 45, 24 and 35, now we'll centralize as mentioned earlier. So this is 45 divided by 2. Similarly this also 50 divided by 2. Finish sketch, place the dimension properly. Finish sketch. Then this we have to extrude to this dimension. So let us check the dimension once again. 50, say so much, 60. So extrude this one symmetric whole length, and this is 60. Okay, then this particular extrude the other one. So what is this length? 50. Symmetric whole length 50. Then select here intersect, then OK. Now we can check front view. Front view is like this. Front view. Then our right side view. Right side view is like this. So you have to draw the top view. So go to top view, then draw the top view like this and place it on your drawing on this side. Okay, so one more exercise is there, so we will complete and close the particular topic. So this is our 8th exercise. So this is our top view and this is our front view. So let us draw the top view first. This plane, create a sketch. Just draw a rectangle first. Then we will draw lines like this from here. One, two, three, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we will start with the smaller dimension first. So give this value as 8. Then next dimension here is 8. This is 8. Then so let us say this is 14, we will give 14. 14. Then let us give this as 15. 15. So let us give that dimension later. And then let us give this width 32 and 42. So let's say this is from here to here, it is 32. So let's delete this dimension. So if you give 32, this should be center, by 2, and this length 60. This length is 60. So let us give from here this divided by 2, and this is 42, and from here to here it is 15. So let's check once again the dimensions. 8 here, it is coincident with another one line here. This is 32, 60. So this we are going to centralize, this 32 and this 16 are given for centralizing the sketch. 8, 15, 14. So this dimension I want to check. 8, 15, 14, 42. Okay, so top view is our finished sketch. Now we will select our front view, front plane, create sketch. Now you can draw the figure like this. So here 15, here it is again 8. Give the dimension. This is 15. This is 8. 8. Then what about this dimension? 60. So this is 60. And this is 60, D13 divided by 2. What about the total height? 60 again. And this distance is this D15 divided by 2. Finish sketch. So this we can extrude 60, extrude this one, symmetric, whole length 60. Okay, then extrude this one. This is symmetric, and the whole length is 32. Then go for intersect, then OK. Now we can compare. The front view is like this, so hidden line one here, another one hidden line because of the groove here. Then top view is like this, it is matching. Top view is like this. So now front view and top view are there. So now we have to draw another one more view. That let us draw the right side view. Right side view will look like this. So that's it. we come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching.